Hello everybody and welcome to Glorious. I have been attached to this parlor for at least 7 to 8 years. I love this place because it's the woman's best place. Men always say that women enjoy the most in parlor, but it has to be hygienic and sanitized, which Glorious is. My colleagues often ask me, Ashwin, do you really color your hair? And I say, the secret lies with Pinky Ma'am, because she knows which color to go with what woman. The best part is the cleanliness and the hygiene. Even if you get waxed, she'll give you disposable dresses. The brushes and oils that I used are sterilized. The place is sanitized way before COVID and even after COVID. She's doing it. I wish her all the luck. And if you think, ladies, that the salon is really very expensive, I tell you, you're really wrong. Because the services start from 100 to thousands and lakhs. And the best part I like about Pinky Ma'am and her staff is that they're very, very humble and they'll treat you like a princess. From 100 to thousands of services, her attitude will remain the same. She loves you, she'll never recommend you anything that doesn't suit you. Even if you go for expensive services, she'll tell you not to go for them, go for something else that will suit you better. She is not at all money-minded and she is really very humble and sweet. Thank you so much, Pinky Ma'am. Thank you, Glorious.